Manipur Alliance for Child Rights, in association with Child Rights and You (CRY), today conducted the 10th state-level Children's Cultural Meet 2019 at Tribal Research Institute, Imphal. Makhans People Organization had further deferred the deadline of proposed indefinite blockade on National Highway No. 2 after Chief Minister Biren assured on arresting the culprits involved in the recent arson attack. Seeking an exhaustive rectification of the final National Register of Citizens, the All Assam Students' Union has knocked the Supreme Court's doors. As per reports, filing a petition at the apex court, the students' body has urged the court to make the NRC error-free. Meghalaya BJP leader Sanbor Sulai said he was ready to lead a delegation from Meghalaya to meet central leaders to discuss issues concerning the state, including the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, according to media reports. Protests have erupted again in various states of the region, including Meghalaya, after the centre declared of reintroducing CAB in the winter session of the parliament in November. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and her Indian counterpart Narendra Modi will on Saturday inaugurate 3 projects, one of which will be for the cross-border supply of LPG to Northeast. As per reports, this would be done with an aim to boost the trade and connectivity between India and Bangladesh.